different coughs and what they mean. Share it with somebody who you know is coughing right now. Dry cough. No mucus, tickly, persistent. This is common in allergies, asthma, post-viral irritation, or even people with acid reflux. Then you got your wet cough. It brings up mucus, phlegm. It's seen in colds, bronchitis, pneumonia, seen with ex-smokers, clearing that old buildup out. Then you got a barking cough, which is a harsh seal-like sound. Now this one's common in kids with croup. It can also signal upper airway swelling in adults. Hold on, whooping cough. This one's a violent cough followed by a deep whoop inhale. It's caused by bacterial infection, but it's more rare now due to a specific vaccine. And there's your chronic cough. This one lasts longer than 8 weeks. It could be tied to smoking history, asthma, GERD, or chronic bronchitis, which can be part of COPD. Then you got nocturnal cough. This one gets worse at night. It can be due to postnasal drip, asthma, or acid reflux. Are you noticing a trend? Then there's the bloody cough. It's always a red flag. This one needs immediate medical evaluation, and it could mean a serious lung issue. Now, when I say bloody cough, I'm talking about that pink blood, right? A very light red. I'm not talking about the rusty stuff that you spit out in your mucus.